this is page 93 of your reading workbook pages. So go ahead and get a pencil and put your name at the top of the paper up here. And you will not need anything other than a pencil for this page. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video and wrote your name and got your paper ready. On this page, we see a picture with a lot of things in it. Now we need to look and we need to see if we can find anything that begins with the k sound. That's with the C sound. So let's look at this picture here. What is that a picture of? It is a castle. Does castle begin with the k sound? Yes, it does. Circle the castle. I see something that you eat. Actually, I see two things that you eat that begin with a k sound in this picture. One of them is a vegetable, and one of them is a yummy dessert. What is the vegetable in this picture that begins with the k sound? Carrots. Carrots begin with the k sound. What is the yummy dessert in this picture that begins with the k sound? The yummy dessert that begins with the k sound. It is a cake. A cake begins with the k sound, with this letter C. I see an animal in this picture that begins with a k sound. Do you see it? What animal begins with the k sound? A cat. I see something hanging up that begins with a k sound. What do you see hanging up that begins with the k sound? Curtains. Curtains, and I'm going to circle both of them and be careful not to circle anything else. Curtains begins with the k sound. I see something you might give to someone that begins with the k sound, and there are two of these. What might you give to someone that begins with the k sound? Maybe a card. So circle the two cards on the table because those begin with the k sound. Now, I see one more thing that begins with the k sound. Can you see what it is? I'm not going to give you a hint at first. What else might begin with the k sound? Okay, are you ready for a hint? It is on one of the heads. Oh, that's a big hint. Look right here. This rabbit is wearing a cap on his head. Cap begins with the k sound. Okay, that is all for this page. If you would like to use your crayons to color this page, you may do so, but you don't have to color it. Thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day.